have a very limited influence back in China because the information control and everything else, everybody understand why. So I just want to ask Mr. President, Pempa Tsering, do you have any strategies to have a breakthrough to approach the Chinese? His Holiness Dalai Lama has long supported reaching out to the Chinese, which I think is very wise. It's the key, one of the keys to the resolution of the Tibetan issue. So now, as far as I can see, is the Tibetans only reach a few dissidents, which have very limited influence back in China. So do you have any strategies that you can have a breakthrough in this regard? Thank you.
With the Chinese government or the Chinese people? Or the
Chinese people.
Dissidents, yeah.
Dissidents.
Okay. Now we all know, I have been saying this, that you have this Indian epic Ramayana. Okay, let me do away with that. It's okay. We have always said, yeah, when I go back to Ramayana, it reminds me of this Lakshman and Ram. Okay, I'll go back to my whole thing. I have always said, since this world came into being, Tibetans, Indians, Chinese, we're all neighbors. So,
as my friend mentioned, so Tibetans get refuge in India. The Indian government and the people of India has done the most for Tibetan people. So we're very grateful. But also remind him, Bhagwan Shiv is seeking refuge in Tibet because Mount Kailash is in Tibet, Mansarovar is in Tibet. Hai ki nahi? So thanks for giving us refuge, but you should be thankful that we also give refuge to